Today, I want to show you the only working method on how to upgrade your graphics driver. So I'm going to right click on the taskbar and go to the task manager, and I go down to performance and also GPU. You can see the driver date and the driver version. The date is 2022 and the version is 30.0101.2079. So I'm going to upgrade this to the latest version, and to do that I have to go and check the processor of my laptop. When I click on the home button and I search for about your PC, I click on it. Then here's my processor. I'm going to copy the name. Then I'll head over to Google and I'm going to type graphics driver 4. Then I'm going to paste the processor I copied and I hit enter. And the first option here is usually the correct one. So cross check the generation of your processor. So I click on it. It takes me to Intel page. Here I can see all the versions of my processor. I have a 10th generation processor and Core i3, and here it says Intel is compatible from 7th to 10th generation, and the release date is 2024 and we are in 2024, so that of 2024 is the most current. If you check today's date, is February 2024. So 2024 is the latest for my system because I have a 10th gen processor. So when I click, I'll see more information. It's for Windows 11, Windows 10, and I have Windows 11 installed on my PC. Here is it. So what I'm going to do right now, I'll click on download, and when the download is complete, I'm going to click on open folder. Then here is the file. I'm going to right click and say run as administrator. I'm going to say yes, and it's extracting. You have to wait. It takes time to begin the installation. So I click on begin installation and I say I agree. Here, execute a clean installation. When you check on that box, you're going to remove the previous version, but I don't want to do that, so I'm going to add the latest version. So I'm going to deselect. I will click on start to begin. Now I'm going to speed up this process because it's really a long process. You can experience black screen from time to time during the installation. Is normal. So right now I need to click on finish. I don't want to reboot right away because I want to close my documents. So I'm going to be going with finish. so that I can close my documents before I reboot manually. And I have rebooted successfully. Now let's go and check our driver date and version. You can see we have moved from version 30 to version 31, and also from 2022 to 2023. Here is before and after image. After that, I just wanted to start After Effects, and I was welcomed with this message. And this happens after a driver upgrade. And this is another proof that the driver update was successful. And that was all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.